In late 2017 and early 2018, all of the University of Florida IFAS Extension county websites switched over to a new platform. My name is Maya McGuire, and I'm an extension agent in the Flagler County office. What I'd like to do is take a little bit of time to help you navigate the new website and show you some of the new features and where you might find things that used to be somewhere else. Okay, so how do we get to one of the county websites? For each county, you simply type in the county name, so I'm going to use Flagler, and then you're going to do .ifas, .ufl.edu, and then I hit enter. This pulls up the new county websites. They're all going to look essentially the same, with 3 sliding pictures at the top. And for each of these pictures, there's a little description, and you can click on the Find Out More, and it will take you to that program area that's represented by the picture. So in this case, it would take you to the agriculture page. But if we just scroll down on the main web page, what you'll notice are a bunch of pictures. These are actually blog posts, and you can click on each of these individually to open up the particular blog post and be able to read much more. So let's say you see this tax refund thing, and it looks enticing. If you click on the title for it, it will open up the entire blog post in blogs.ifas.ufl.edu. You can just use the back arrow to go back to the main website. It may be apparent to you that all of the posts on this page are focused on a particular topic. If we scroll back up a little bit, just above the calendar here, you may be able to see it says sort by your interest. And we can click to open a drop-down menu, which shows you the different program areas within the Flagler County Extension office. Now, there's some algorithm that is used to determine which program area posts are likely to be of most interest to you, and those are what you will see when you open the website. We have no control over this. However, you can use this drop-down menu to select a different program area's blog posts. So if I click on Natural Resources rather than Work and Life, it will take a second, the page will reload, and when I scroll back down to the blog posts, I'll be able to see the posts that have been written on blogs tagged with Natural Resources and Flagler County Extension Office. There may be some duplication between program areas because sometimes a particular post is pertinent to more than one program area. So that's part of the lower section of the website. Let's take a look at the calendar here. So this actual physical calendar will have events marked on it for the current month, and then below the calendar are upcoming events, either within this month or in future months. If we want to find out a little bit more about some of these events, like what they are and how to get involved, we can click on the View All Upcoming Events or the View All Local Events links above and below the calendar. So if we click on View All Upcoming Events, we've actually just opened a tab now in the UF IFAS Extension calendar site. Still looking at Flagler County posts, but within that master site. And what you'll see is that each event is listed again here with the description and in some cases the links. So we can just close this tab to go back to the main Flagler County site. If we scroll up to the very top of the website, in the upper right-hand corner, there's a little thing that looks like 3 parallel lines, and it has the tiny word menu underneath it. Our web team affectionately refers to this as the Hamburger, and this is the main menu for the site. When we click on the menu, that Hamburger, we'll get a drop-down that shows all the different program areas and a couple of other resources that are available that are specific to our website. If you're looking for something like somebody's email address, or the phone number, or the mailing address, the easiest place to go is the staff directory. When we click on that, it again takes us out of the Flagler County specific site and into a UF site. This is a listing of all of the staff and faculty in the Flagler County office, complete with our email addresses, our phone number, our fax number, and our mailing address. It also says for each of us which program area or what responsibility we have in the office. So if we click on the back button to go back to the main site and click on that hamburger again, let's look at one particular program area page just to give you an idea of how they're laid out. I'm going to take you to my Marine and Coastal page because it's one I'm very familiar with. And if we scroll down on that page, what you'll see are 3 images, and below each image is a clickable link. So these happen to be my 3 main program areas, and if you clicked on the link, you would find out more information about each of those specific topics. But towards the bottom of the page, there's this blue box that says Resources. Each of our program pages will have one of these blue boxes. It will appear at first glance to be the same as on the other program area pages, but if you look closely, the 8 specific links within this box are customized for each program area. So mine has a link for my Aquanotes newsletter. It has a link to a Sea Grant Marine Careers website, the Florida Sea Grant page, the National Sea Grant website, and so on. One thing that is pretty common to all the program areas is a link to what we call the EDIS website. This is our IFAS printable fact sheets site. And this is a great place to go if you're looking for information about almost any topic. Okay, if we want to go back to the main Flagler County Extension page again, we're going to go back to our hamburger and click on Home. It takes a second to reload, and then here we are. So hopefully this will help you navigate our new site, and hopefully we will see you using it more. Thanks.